Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Netflix on TV. Is Netflix not working properly on your TV or asking you to update? Don't worry, updating Netflix is easy and I will show you how to do it step by step. First, turn on your smart TV and make sure it's connected to the internet. Netflix update won't work without a stable internet connection. Now open the App Store on your TV, then search for Netflix in the store. Once you find it, select the app. If you see an update button, click it. The update will start downloading automatically. Wait until it finishes, then open Netflix and check it work properly. If you see or if you don't see an update button, don't worry, this is usually means Netflix is already up to date. Another option is to enable automatic update. Go to the TV setting, find the app or software setting and turn it auto update. This keeps Netflix updated without you doing anything. If Netflix still won't update, restart your TV, turn the TV off, unplug it from the power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it again. After that, try updating Netflix again. If nothing works, delete and reinstall Netflix. Open the App Store, uninstall Netflix, restart your TV, then download Netflix again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.